Forex versus gambling. Hey everyone. Welcome back to my channel where I share tips and insights on Forex trading. In today's video, I'm going to answer a question that I get asked a lot: is Forex trading gambling? Many people have the misconception that Forex trading is just like gambling, where you rely on luck and chance to make money. They think that Forex traders are just gamblers who bet on currency movements without any strategy or discipline. But this is far from the truth. Forex trading is not gambling, but a business that requires preparation, analysis, risk management, and skill. In fact, there are many benefits and advantages of Forex trading over gambling that make it a more attractive and rewarding activity. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 of them. By the end of this video, you'll understand why Forex trading is better than gambling and how you can become a successful Forex trader. So let's get started. 1. Forex trading has low costs. The first benefit of Forex trading is that it has very low costs compared to other financial markets. You don't have to pay commissions or fees to trade Forex, as most brokers make their profits from the spreads between currency pairs. This means that you can keep more of your profits and reduce your overhead costs. Let me give you an example. Let's say you want to trade EUR, USD, which is one of the most popular currency pairs in the Forex market. The spread for this pair is usually around 1 pip, which means that you pay 1 pip for every trade you make. Now let's say you want to gamble on roulette, which is one of the most popular casino games. The house edge for this game is around 2.7%, which means that you pay 2.7% for every bet you make. This means that if you bet $100 on both activities, you would pay 10 cents for Forex trading and $2.70 for roulette. That's a huge difference. As you can see, Forex trading has much lower costs than gambling, which gives you an edge over the long run. 2. Forex trading suits varying trading styles. The second benefit of Forex trading is that it suits different trading styles and preferences. You can trade Forex 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, which gives you the flexibility to choose when and how long you want to trade. You can also use different strategies and techniques to trade Forex, such as scalping, day trading, swing trading, or position trading. Depending on your personality, goals, and risk appetite, you can find a trading style that works for you and matches your lifestyle. You can also switch between different trading styles depending on the market conditions and opportunities. For example, I'm a swing trader who likes to hold my positions for a few days or weeks. I look for medium-term trends and patterns in the market and use technical analysis and indicators to identify entry and exit points. But sometimes I also do some scalping or day trading when I see some short-term opportunities or signals in the market. I use price action and candlestick patterns to capture small price movements and close my trades within hours or minutes. This way, I can diversify my portfolio and take advantage of different market scenarios. Gambling, on the other hand, is more limited in terms of choices and flexibility. You have to follow the rules and regulations of the casino or the bookmaker, which may restrict your options and freedom. For example, you may have to bet a minimum amount or play a certain number of games to qualify for a bonus or a promotion. You may also have to wait for certain events or outcomes to happen before you can place or collect your bets. As you can see, Forex trading gives you more control and variety than gambling, which makes it more fun and enjoyable. 3. Forex trading has high liquidity. The third benefit of Forex trading is that it has high liquidity, which means that there are always buyers and sellers in the market who are willing to trade with you. The Forex market is the largest and most liquid market in the world, with trillions of dollars worth of transactions happening every day. This means that you can easily enter and exit trades at any time, without worrying about slippage or delays. You can also take advantage of price movements and volatility in the market, which create opportunities for profit. Let me tell you a story. A few years ago, I was trading GBP USD during the Brexit referendum. This was one of the most volatile events in history, as the British pound crashed against other currencies after the vote. I was able to capitalize on this event by going short on GBP USD before the results came out. I entered at 1.4800 and exited at 1.3200, making a profit of 1600 pips in less than 24 hours. That was one of my best trades ever. Thanks to the high liquidity and volatility of the Forex market. Gambling, however, has low liquidity, which means that there are fewer participants and transactions in the market. This means that you may have difficulty finding someone who is willing to take the other side of your bet, or you may have to wait for a long time before you can cash out your winnings. You may also face higher risks and uncertainty in gambling, as the outcomes are unpredictable and influenced by external factors. As you can see, Forex trading has more potential and opportunity than gambling, which makes it more profitable. Conclusion. So there you have it, 3 benefits and advantages of Forex trading over gambling. Forex trading is not gambling, but a business that requires skill, discipline, and knowledge. If you want to learn more about Forex trading and how to become a successful trader, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of new videos. Also, leave a comment below if you have any questions or feedback. And if you want to take your Forex trading skills to the next level, check out my website where I offer free resources, courses, signals, coaching, and more. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.